Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing great. So after my video on India to Canada via Doha, I have been getting many queries on various requirements to travel through this route. So after doing some research, I have decided to make this video where I will try to resolve all the doubts and concerns related to this route. Stay tuned till the end and don't skip because this video is going to be very helpful for travelers who are considering this route. So guys, welcome to the channel. If you find these videos useful, please do show some love to this new channel. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss on any important update. So without wasting any more time, let's start with the video. Qatar has segregated countries in 3 lists: green list, yellow list and red list. So India is placed in red list. If you are an Indian traveling via Doha, you need to be fully vaccinated with one of the approved vaccines in Qatar. So if you have taken 2 jabs of Covishield, then you are okay to go. Unvaccinated and partially vaccinated travelers from any country placed in red list will not be allowed to travel. Now very frequently I am being asked that we are a fully vaccinated parents traveling with kids. Can we travel via Doha? Answer to this is no. There is no exception on this for red listed countries. Now let's talk about the quarantine rules. If you are a fully vaccinated traveler, you are exempted from mandatory quarantine. Indians are eligible for visa on arrival. However, you have to seek for approval authorization via an application called Eteraz. There is an application called Eteraz. However, if you want the authorization, you don't have to do it by the Eteraz app. This app has a different use which I will tell you later. You have to seek approval through the Eteraz web link. I will put the link in the description. Now once you register yourself as a new user, you need to upload few documents like valid passport copy, vaccination proof, RT-PCR test result, and you have also an option for other documents. So I would suggest upload a document explaining the purpose of your travel. Now recently there was a glitch with this application wherein anyone who was seeking for authorization were getting a notification that they need to do 10 days mandatory hotel quarantine. This was a technical error on Eteraz portal and as of now it has been fixed. Another requirement is that of confirmed hotel booking. Now you might be thinking, if there is no mandatory quarantine, why do we need a hotel booking? Reason for this is it is one of the requirement at immigration, and also when you do your COVID test at Doha airport, the results will take up to 24 hours. So you need to have a booking confirmation with you. Qatar has a policy of minimum balance of 5,000 Qatari riyals on the person seeking tourist visa on arrival to take care of their expenses during the visit. So make sure to carry 5,000 riyals. Now here there is no mandate that you should have this currency in the local form. You can have it in form of USD cash or in your bank account. Make a note that credit card won't help you. At the immigration, they will ask you to prove your balance, so you can show them the SMS related to your current balance. You can also carry currency in CAD. However, if you want to purchase anything, it won't be accepted. So I would suggest you to carry USD as you have to pay for COVID test and SIM card at the airport. Once you deboard your flight, you will be asked to stand in a queue as per your vaccination status. Then you will be tested for COVID. So here USD will be accepted. Once you are done with your test, make sure you ask the officials that from where and when you will be getting your report. After this, you will go through immigration. On immigration, they will ask for your documents and will ask you some common question which they usually ask. Along with that, they will ask for your confirmed hotel booking, proof of having 5,000 riyals or its equivalent in any other currency or in your bank account, and authorization from Eteraz app. If everything found in place, an officer will give you a visa number. Now when you are done with your immigration, you will be coming out of the airport. While you are coming out, there will be counters for registration of Eteraz app. You need to buy a SIM card to get a local number. Now you have to register in this Eteraz app along with the local number and visa number which you got from the immigration. Eteraz application is nothing but an Qatarian version of Arogya Setu. If you are fully vaccinated, the barcode in the application will turn green. So guys, that's it in this video. I hope this video has provided you with some insights related to this route. So thanks for watching the video.